Are you struggling with your Docker Swarm setup, especially when your worker nodes show a status of down? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into this common issue and how to get your nodes back to ready. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when you've set everything up correctly, but your nodes still show as down. This is a common concern for many new Docker users, and it can feel overwhelming. Let's look at the specific situation. One user recently asked, "Why are my worker nodes showing as down, even though they are powered on and connected?" If this sounds familiar, stick around as we explore the solutions together. So what could be causing this down status? It could be due to network issues, misconfigurations, or even resource limitations on your Raspberry Pis. Let's break it down step by step to understand what's happening. And don't go anywhere. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you keep your Docker Swarm running smoothly. To address the issue of worker nodes showing a down status, the user should first check the network connectivity between the manager and the worker nodes. This is crucial for proper communication. Next, the user should verify that the Docker service is running on all worker nodes. If Docker is not running, the nodes will not be able to communicate with the manager. After confirming that Docker is running, the user should inspect the swarm status. This can be done by running a specific command on the manager node to see the status of all nodes. If any worker nodes are still showing as down, the user should consider restarting the Docker service on those nodes. This can often resolve temporary issues. Lastly, if the problem persists, the user should check the Docker logs for any error messages that could indicate what is going wrong. This can provide valuable insights. Fun fact, did you know that the Raspberry Pi was originally designed to help kids learn programming? Now it's powering Docker swarms around the world. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user suggests that the issue may depend on your specific version of Docker. They reference a forum thread where similar problems were discussed. As a workaround, they recommend running the command docker ps, which may help the nodes rejoin the swarm. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative solution from another user involves cleaning up the swarm data on the problematic node. First, stop the Docker service and remove the swarm directory. Then, remove the node from the swarm manager and get the join token. Finally, restart Docker and rejoin the swarm using the token. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. One user found that their Docker node had an invalid default route, which caused DNS issues. They were still able to SSH into the machine using its IP address. To resolve the problem, they first tested connectivity by pinging Google, which failed. Then, they updated the default route and removed the incorrect gateway. Finally, they changed the DNS server settings and the node came back online automatically. Let's move forward and look at another answer. One alternative solution comes from a user who experienced similar issues. They found that changes in virtual network devices caused the problem. To fix it, they adjusted the settings, ran the commands docker swarm leave and docker swarm join on the affected nodes, and removed them from the manager using docker node rm. After these steps, everything worked smoothly. Here's the tip I promised. Regularly monitor your node's performance and network status. This proactive approach can save you from unexpected downtime. And there you have it. With these steps, your worker nodes should be back to ready in no time. Remember, keeping an eye on your setup is key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more Docker tips.